Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.
Renee today, and today I'm going to show you how I cleared my acne-prone skin in just 2 weeks. Now I know what you're thinking. If you're like me, you watch all these other YouTube videos where these girls miraculously clear their skin real quick, and you're just like, okay. But I have proof, evidence, documentation, live video footage of how my skin looked at day 1 and how clear it looked at week 2. So let's just go ahead and jump into that embarrassing footage. I know that's what you guys really want to see. So here's my skin at day 1. My skin was pretty darn bad. I had a lot of acne and acne scars on both sides of my cheek, and I really would get it a lot around my chin and even some on my forehead. Like, it was literally just everywhere. And I tried, just like you probably, every skincare line product that's ever been made, and nothing really worked. But this is literally the first product that I've used where I've seen immediate results. So here's my skin after just 1 week. So some of my blemishes have gone away, my scars are getting a little bit lighter, it's getting a little bit better, and I am seeing some progress. And then here's my skin at just 2 weeks. Look at this comparison. Day 1, week 2, so much better. All of my scars and acne really went away, and I didn't even realize how bad it was until I looked at these before and after pictures, and I was shocked. I have never used a skincare product line that has showed me these types of results this fast. So now today, it has been exactly 1 month of me trying the products. I haven't seen any type of bad side effects. My skin just continues to get better every single day. So now that I've got your attention, let me go ahead and show you the products I've been using. I've used a total of 6 different products by the brand called Makari De Suisse. I know it sounds fancy, right? I mean, look at this packaging. It looks really extravagant. So the first thing I use in my skincare routine is their bar of soap. So it looks like this. It's a little hexagon. Pretty sure it's a hexagon. And it smells really, really good. A very floral perfume type scent. And all you do is rub this on your face for a really deep pore cleaning cleanse. It helps any irritated skin and acne prone skin. So they have a bunch of different types of soaps on their website, but this one is specifically for oily acne prone skin, and that is definitely me. Now, to be honest, I wasn't really a fan of the fact that it came in a bar soap because I don't really have like a tray to put it on. It's not as sanitary to just leave the bar soap on your sink or your countertop or whatever it may be. So I really hope that they make this in like a liquid form because that would just be amazing. But because it cleared my skin, I really don't care. So I do use my soap twice a day, morning and night. If you have drier skin, I probably only recommend doing it once, maybe after you take off your makeup. After I wash my face, I grab the prettiest item of them all, the Makari De Suisse toner. Can we talk about this packaging? Is this not the most regal looking bottle you've ever seen? Like, I don't even care what's in it, I'd want to use it. This beautiful toner right here will help even out your skin tone, help minimize the appearance of your pores, and help prevent future breakouts. So let me show you my skin this morning. Of course, my skin was looking amazing, and then as soon as I decided to film a video, I got this beautiful little blemish in the middle of my forehead. But let's get rid of that using all these amazing products. So I just grab a cotton pad. I do about 3 dabs on there, and then I just smooth it all over my skin. You don't really want to wipe it all over your face, but more like a dabbing motion, and really let it all soak into your face. I would apply this toner every morning and every night. After I cleanse and tone my face, I then grab my serum. This is the Natural Carotonic Extreme Lightening Serum, which does a really good job at getting rid of any dark spots or acne scars. Not only that, it has SPF 15, so it's going to protect our skin from the sun, and it helps with too much oil production. So if you have oily skin, this is going to help control all that oil. After I let my serum dry for about 2 or 3 minutes, I then apply the moisturizer. A little bit of this goes a very long way, so just use a little dab on my finger and it will cover my entire face. This is another one that's going to help get rid of any acne scars or dark blemishes and will help even out your skin tone. So that is everything I do in the daytime. I cleanse my face with the bar soap, I then use the toner, then I add my serum, and then my moisturizer. Now at nighttime, I kind of do the same thing minus these 2 products. I don't want to add any more SPF to my skin during the nighttime. So at nighttime, I use the bar of soap again, then I use the toner, and then I grab my toning gel. This is the Makari Toning Gel with vitamin E, vitamin C, carrot, and argan oil. And this is a really smooth gel that just sits over your face and soaks into your skin as you sleep. And every time I use this, I wake up with clearer skin. Like, it's gotten to the point where I get excited to wash my face and then wake up the next day just to see how much clearer my skin looks. And last but not least is the pimple drying treatment. Now, this is something that you use only when you have an extreme pimple or breakout, like a whitehead that's just there to annoy you, and it's like a spot treatment that you use every so often. So as you will see, it's actually two different colors. It has like an orangey color on top and then this pink powder on the bottom. You don't shake it up, you leave it separated, and if it's not, you gotta let it sit and separate again. You grab a Q-tip, dip it inside, get to the pink stuff at the bottom, and then you just dab that on a specific zit. You let it sit overnight and it's going to help reduce the appearance of it or get rid of it completely. Now, when I used it, it didn't really make my pimple just disappear overnight, but it definitely made it a little bit less red and made it go down. If it is a whitehead that's just ready to pop, I feel like you've already reached like the popping point, so you should just let out the gunk. But if you can catch a zit before it gets to the whitehead, that's when I've really noticed that this helps make it go back down. Now let's go over the pricing for everything. I know it looks really expensive, but it's actually not that bad. Some items are more expensive than others, but let's just go through it. The most affordable item that I got is the Sulfur soap at $13.99, but the products can go all the way up to $39.95 for something like the gel or the toner. And I understand if you buy everything, it definitely can add up, but I have a promo code for you guys, so you get 20% off your order. And if you spend more than $175, you get free shipping as well. Yes, even for you international viewers. The only thing I like better than clear skin and a good hair day is a good discount. So I 100% recommend, if you have acne or oily prone skin and you've tried just about everything, you don't know what else to use, please try this line and let me know how well it works for you. I take my hair and my skin very seriously, and I would not recommend something that did not work. I've already been through that. I know how it feels to try new products and just be discouraged every time you try it, thinking that you're just gonna have acne for the rest of your life. So I can vouch for these products and say that they truly worked for me. And if you do try it, please take pictures so you can check your progress throughout the week, and I would love for you to send me your results. It would make me so happy to know that I helped at least one person get rid of their acne and feel more confident. If you want to try the Makari De Suisse line yourself, you can just go to Makari.com. I'll make sure to put the link below in the description box. Or for all my lucky New Yorkers watching, that was my New Yorker accent. I don't know how I did. Probably bad. I'm gonna stop now. You could just walk on over to 30th and Broadway and just get all your goods in person. If you want to see my skin get better on a day-to-day basis, make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Ms. BiancaRenee. I'm always snapping in my stories, letting you guys know my skin progress, showing you guys what works, what doesn't. I'm going to be trying more Makari De Suisse products soon so I can give you guys even more options. So hit that bell and the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching BiancaRenee Today.